Are you looking for useful activities to do with the kids on a rainy day? We put together a series of films packed with clever, low-cost ideas to help keep your kids entertained. Are we going to stop the rain? I'm getting wet.
When it's raining outside, these pencil pinatas are really fun to make. Here's what you'll need. Take a circular piece of card and then cut a quarter out. Roll the circle into a cone shape and fix it to the end of a tube. It's quite fiddly, but once it's in place, it's perfect. And then paint the tip. Then, take your tissue paper and trim it into strips. Cut a fringe effect along the edge of the tissue paper. Then glue your tube. All you have to do is make sure this is absolutely covered in glue. Attach your fringe strips right around the tube, all the way up. Add some silver tape or glue some foil, fill the pinata, and then stick on the end and add a little extra fringing to complete. There you go. One pencil pinata. What colour are you doing?
Red.
So now you've just got to decorate it.
Give me a pinata. Let's crack this bad boy, see what's inside. Is that it? Pencil sharpener. I didn't even get a pencil. Oh, thank you very much.